Hello guys on YouTube. Today we're doing dirty items in the Hoover. We're putting on collars with dirty. It's got very sudsy. I'm not joking. I've only put 90 mil because they have been dirty before, but we managed to wash it because I need to. And some reason it's got very sudsy again. Because the phone number you did that, and I don't really care about it. And some jeans that I was washing that was inside, and that was for grands and grandmothers when we was playing football. Yeah, these two jeans are just dirt a lot. Wow, it's very dirty. I'm just filming. I put option is stain blast and state of the care, and the temperature is 30. Because state of the care it's get some more water to get more delocked for the water to come in. And that's behind the door still. Cause I love it. I love state of the care. It's got water, so don't worry about that, guys. Look at that suds going up to there, but it won't go up to here because it's a good way. It won't. That's awesome. I've never seen sudsy than that before. Wow. This is so awesome. Wow. Oh, I forgot to say, and my white top as well, because it got dirty with mud. Yeah. It's got 1 hour 24 minutes to go. Well, I'll see you in the intermittent spin. Okay? Bye. Why? We're going on intermittent spin. It's getting rid of the bubble. It's just fine, but at least it's got a little heating. But you know what? So now I'm gonna do a game doing this. Yeah. Yeah. It's still sexy. Yeah, I've been trying to fail a lot of time. We'll see what happens. It doesn't work. Oh, it's such a good game. Well, we'll see what happens. If it's been like this, so. Whoa! Sexy. And look at these seals coming out of the way. They shouldn't do that at all. I think it's going to be studs locking right now, or it's getting sudsy speed while it's in. Uh-oh, it's coming out of the way. Really, it's going to come out now. It's still on 6,000 RPM. 6,000 RPM. It might have been nearly up to 6,000 RPM. Oh yeah, it's going to be sudsy now. Oh no. It's cut out. No, it's not. It's done. Oh no. I think it's very still too stuffy. And now it's on first rinse. And I think you can know about how whether it's going to be stuffy. I think it's going to be high water level coming. No, I'm not joking. See what happens. Oh wow. This is one of those like it. Wow! Did you know that? I have not seen this before. Yeah, that can stay up to here. For the rest of my life. It might have been high water level when it's so sensitive. Again, and look at this sunset again on the first red light shoot. What? I'll catch up in the second spin. White, we're on second spin. It's still draining, but white started to go on second spin now. No, that's not gonna do that. I believe. It might have to fail in a minute. Yeah, it is. Okay. Why? There's no sense of name spells because this is so balanced. Gosh, there's no way how to get in balance. This. Ugh. It's gonna spin now. It's unbalanced. to a balance. It's not going to be very good, isn't it, guys? It's still up to, I don't know, it's going to still, it's going to go up to 800 RPM, and the flying sense here, it's going to fly up. Amazing! What a wonderful day. Alright. Why? Or second win. It just started to just started to fill up. Yeah. I'll move the camera in a minute. It's now stop here. Okay. It's got inside the water. It's so easy. It's got very sensitive inside again. But I think inside it's a sensitive bubble somewhere. Why, I'll catch up in the third spin. I'll catch up in the third spin. Why? We're going on to a spin now, and it's just draining away with the bubbles. It might get better trust, or I don't know. We'll see. I don't think so. I don't want to do that switch, that's what I used to do. I don't know what you mean, but Oh no, it's gonna be too unbalanced. That would be okay, not a little unbalanced. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. I think it'll go up to 8,000 up here. Well, I know where the sun's sitting. Try to fly up around. Look at that. And the seal, the triangle seal, try to get with the sun somewhere. Awesome. Right, some turned mints now. I believe. Sorry about that, guys. There was a bug. It's not very too bad. Right, I'm going to apple.
Quello.
It's just on what's thing? It's running away with just bubblish away, so maybe get down in flash or I don't know. We'll see what happens. I don't think he's gonna do it, we'll see. Nope, it can't do this. It's failed. Again. Oh no. Look at that. Failed again. Failed again. I don't know why he's trying to struggle, but it's trying to spin, but it's not going to do anything because it's just do like it has to be, but always it's not distributing properly. With a bit saved like it should. When it's not distributed properly. That will do it. Come on. Oh god. Again. Oh, come on. He's just been trying to barely gay all of it again when he's trying to spin, when he shouldn't. That should do it. I don't think so. finger. And this is not too balanced. That's why. Oh yeah, it's going up to 800 RPM. Okay. Why? It's nearly on fire, no winds now. Don't stay without the water inside the rug. Exactly. Why do you see water say you have to go over here like as I said? Well, stay there forever because how I can it until it's done. And the money to pay. There, stay in the water again. Sorry about that, guys. There's a verb again. Wow, I catch him in the final spin. Alright, bye. I'm so sorry guys, I missed the train bit as well, guys. But it's just on the final spin. That is not too unbalanced, that is too unbalanced. Ooh, that's not good for the balance thing to happen. Ooh. Alice doing anti-freeze now, it just failed. It was too unbalanced. Anti-freeze slow tumble. reason, Rufus and Candy just goes to a balance if he doesn't want to spin, but if he doesn't want to spin, it's got it at decrease and then do a spin again. This isn't rubbish, but you can't do it with the claws. It has to be so balanced. Well, I don't really care. Just to think how it's too balanced. It's got to do a spin soon. Why? It's got to do a spin again because that decrease and decrease because the so sorry about that, guys. So it started to spin now. It's just and it's gonna fail again because it's not gonna do that. Oh gosh. He will do it. Yeah, that will do it for now. Oh my god! Oh, wow, it's too balanced. This is not going to be good at all, guys. Oh, good. This is going to be too bad for it now. I think it's going to be the best balanced spin I ever had. Ooh, it's just going to do a balanced. Look at that. Oh my god! Guys, it's so advanced, guys. Oh no! Whoa! This is so fast I ever seen before. Oh, look at that! I don't really see on this camera, but oh my god! Oh. Did you see that, guys? It was gonna go all bad spin, but he won. Is he not that above? Yeah, he is. I've not seen it before. PM. Really? Not 9 times PM. Oh my god. It's a balance, guys. And look at that inside. Dear me. See that? I've never seen balance before. You can't really see on it. It's really trying to say, but you can't really see it. It's hitting. Look at that. Trying to hit him out. Never got the balance one. Oh my lord! Oh god! Let me just go for a minute. But before I double check the whole life up here. That is really shocking it's there. Well, leave out down there. Still before they left, about I want to go on what was down up here. What is this? Awesome spit never had. Try to move around. God, try. Oh god. And you cannot see, it's not to a balance, you see. And here we go again. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's gonna want one of right now. Look at that. And look at that! I don't really see the camera, but try and say, they'll see. Gosh! This is ridiculous. bad. I can't see anymore. God. Now goes down here. Now. Now it's finished. Whoa, that's so bad. I've never seen before. Oh, the drum is trying to shake. And it's so bad, you see. Oh my god. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment and subscribe. Bye.